Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to import files into Ultimaker Cura. So let's get straight into it. Now, what you're going to do is first open the Ultimaker Cura program, then go here to the top left corner where you see File menu here. Click on it, and then now you can make new project. Okay, so let's make that one like so. It's empty. And now we are going to import files. So we go back to the file, and then now we will put open files and select here, let's say this one, like so. And this is basically importing files, imported file here in this virtual bed. Now also you can do it just like so. If you go to files here somewhere and then just drag and drop, it will also work. So as you can see now, we have this happy shark right next to it. And this is basically it, how you can import files. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next